Good morning, my dear children. Today is our last session of height and distance, in which we will see hot questions from the examples of R.S. Aggarwal. And I welcome to all my dear children who are attending and who will be attending to me. रचित श्रीवास्तवा, जूही चंदन, मयंक, आकांक्षा, someone ADS series, अनुपम कुमार, दीपक कुमार, स्काई गुप्ता, and many more students will be connected. And today we will enjoy the hot questions. Hi everyone, let us start. And gradually students are connecting to me. Welcome you all. And without wasting time, let us start from the examples of R.S. Aggarwal. Hot questions will be discussed today. So I am starting from example number 17 of exercise 14. First our example number 17. Okay. Example number 17. Question is, from the top of lighthouse, angles of depression of two ships on the opposite sides are observed to be alpha and beta. Clear? Suppose this is lighthouse, and from this point, angles of depression, their depression will be what between the line of sight and horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This side angle and this side angle are to be alpha and beta. Suppose this is alpha and this angle is beta. Okay. If the height of lighthouse be h meter, this is given h meter, and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of lighthouse, so the distance between ship is this. Means this distance from here to here we have to find. What the required value we have to prove? We have to prove what? H into tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha tan beta. Okay. Now see, this distance we have to prove like this. Suppose this distance is x and this is y. Means this we have to prove x plus y equals this value. Clear? Name it anything. A, B, C, D. Here C and here it is D. This is X and Y. You know very well, always we have to describe the figure. Okay. After correct construction of the diagram, certainly one need to describe the diagram. Without describing, your marks will be deducted. Mind it. For description, half marks is being awarded. Clear? So now see, I know in this type of questions, some of our students get suffocation. I know. Whenever other than numerals you see sine, cos, tan, then you start hard breathing. That's why my aim to make easy for you how this will be. See, after description of figure, two triangles we have, and the result we have to bring in 10. So we will find 10 in this triangle and this triangle. Okay, so first in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what it will be? See here, this is alpha, then this angle will alpha, this is beta, then this angle will be beta. This distance AC is x and AB is y. Okay, so in triangle ABC, what we have? We have tan alpha perpendicular by base, that is h by x. We have to find x plus y, so you find here directly x equals what? H by tan alpha. Alpha, this symbol is alpha. You know alpha, beta, gamma, these are the Greek letters. Okay, so one result we have got value of x, and second in this triangle, in triangle which one? Triangle name is ABD. In triangle ABD, what we have to get? Tan beta equals perpendicular by base, that is h by y. Therefore y will be what value of y? H by tan beta. This is relation number 2. And we have to find value of x and y, means distance between these two ships. One ship is at point C and another is at point D. So after finding 1 and 2, I mean to say 1 plus 2 gives 1 plus 2 gives what it will give? It will give x plus y. Value of x we have h by tan alpha plus h by tan beta. Get LCM and solve. You will get the result. This is tan alpha, tan beta will be the LCM. Here it is. What will you do? H is common in both, then take as common. After taking h common, here it will be tan beta, here it will be tan alpha. So we have tan beta plus tan alpha. I think this is the result, and make it straight, means alpha first and beta second. So it will h into tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha tan beta. This is our required result, and result we have got. Very simple. In your book, this question is being made by using the cot, and later it is changing cot to tan. No need to do that. What the required result is demanded, you have to show according to that. No need to. And some students' problem is buffering, and apart from that, Diksha, Pranjal, Soumya, and Neharani, Suraj Singh, Sanjeev Jhaji, and good morning to all, and Saloni, Pratyush, and many students take Kapra, Nikhil, these all students have connected, and I welcome all my dear children. Today our session is hot questions. It is severe hot today also due to your hot questions. Okay, so let us see the next one. Alpha. At this point you have cloud. Now next is asking, and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is beta. Whose reflection? The reflection of cloud. What is this? This is clouds. Its reflection. This is water level. So its reflection. See, this cloud is this height above the sea level or lake from the lake. So its reflection will be here as this distance. So as this distance, this pool is water, you know water, we have like plane mirror. Okay, join this angle of depression, it is asking what beta. Okay, we have to prove that height of cloud is this. Height of cloud means what? Height of cloud means this plus this. Clear? We have to prove h into tan beta plus tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, this we have to prove. This question has been asked in exam in the Cbse 2008. See, clear means we have to prove height of the cloud is this. Height of cloud from where? From this point. Okay. So assume this is h, then this also will be h. Clear? Just a minute. Yes, sir. Like this. Okay. This is also h. Assume this height as h. Okay. So see what it will be. This means beneath the water level. It will be just above the water level. Means distance will be the same. So this will be h plus h. I think you are getting me. Okay. See, this is water level. And water always acts as the plane mirror. So image distance will be equal to object distance. So see, this is h plus h. So this also will be h plus h. Name it A, B. This is suppose cloud is C. This point D. No need to point here, and this point we have E. Okay, figure is clear, and we have to find this value by using h plus h, means value of small and capital H will be this one. So two right triangles we have, one this triangle and another this triangle. Okay, assume this distance BD as x, this BD as x. And two triangles, you know, after description of figure we have to show in this triangle and this triangle. First time in triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, what we have? BCD, we have tan alpha equal perpendicular by base, that is h by x. Clear? And we have to find small h plus capital H as this one. So don't get hurry. Okay. So by using this, you may find h equals what? H by this assume as equation 1. Now in this triangle, now in triangle BDE, in triangle BDE, we have what? Tan beta equal this by this. Okay, perpendicular by base. So it will be, see, this whole distance means h plus h plus h. So it will be 2h plus h. I think I am right. I am right. 2h plus h. Clear? By base it is what? X. And also we have here value of x. Here also we are getting x. Either place this value there or get here x equals this by tan beta, means 2h plus h by tan beta. Clear? This is relation number 2. This is also value of x, and there also from 1 and 2 we have what we have. See, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have what we have. This one means h by tan alpha equals 2h plus h by what? Tan beta. Okay, this we have got. And what to do further? See, just get the cross multiplication, and after that you will do, means capital H we not have to require. Okay, so we will remove that, eliminate that. Today is hot session, that's why I am getting very much heat. Just get cross multiplication of this expression. See here, it will be a beta, h tan beta equals 2h tan alpha plus, okay, h tan alpha. This expression we have got. So after this one, means capital H we not have on our requirement, and this result we have to get. Always in solving larger questions, keep the result in your mind. Nothing more we have done. Draw the diagram. In this triangle one result, this triangle another result, and here compare the both, and here cross multiplied. In our result there is no need of capital H, so we will remove it. How? We will write h tan beta minus h tan alpha, okay, equals, here it is 2h tan alpha. Okay, take h as common. After taking h common, it will tan beta minus tan alpha equal 2h tan alpha. Okay, 2h tan alpha. Therefore h equals 2h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, value of h we have to get this h plus h equal to this one. So what will you do? Capital H you have got, then you will find h plus h. Clear? You will write h plus h. So it will be C. Therefore h plus h equal, okay, h means small h and capital H already we have this value, so we will write 2h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, see, now you have got your result. This will be multiplied with this, it will be h tan beta minus h tan alpha. Here it is 2h tan alpha, one time it will minus, result you will get. See, this will be h tan beta minus h tan alpha, okay, h into this, plus this one 2h tan alpha whole by tan beta minus tan alpha. Clear? See, now what will you do? See here, 2h tan alpha minus h tan alpha. See, 2h tan alpha minus h tan alpha, it will be h tan alpha. This is plus h tan beta by this one means tan beta minus tan alpha. What will you do? Take h as common. h को हमने दोनों में से कॉमन निकाल लिया, यही ना रिजल्ट आ गया. दिस इज आवर required result, means height of the cloud from the level of the lake is this one. We have got the result. Very simple. Two right triangles, one result here, another result here, compared, just got cross multiplication. Capital H is not our requirement, and ultimately we have to get h plus h. H plus value of h just simplified in one line, and we have got the required result. And I hope you are getting. I think you have no problem in getting the solution of these questions. Many of you are writing buffering. Don't worry, gradually it will be visible and clear to all. So enjoy. Okay, so let us see the next question. And our next question number, we have number 19. You know 19 is the same question. Diagram is the same here. It is trigonometric function. Result is in trigonometric function, and question number 19, your result is in numerals. And these both questions have been asked. When this one we have done 19, very easily we will do. So see, next our question number 19 have been asked 2 times in the board, and okay, so see number 19. 19 number question. Same diagram 18 and 19. Question is angle of elevation of cloud from 60 meter above the lake. Earlier it was 8 meter, here it is 60 meter. Okay, this is lake. Okay, and 60 meter. This is 60 meter above the lake. Angle of elevation of cloud is 30 degree. Here suppose it is cloud, angle is 30, line of sight, horizontal line, angle 30 degree. Okay, and its depression in the reflection is 60 degree. Suppose here it is cloud, this point will be reflection. From this one, this angle is what? 60 degree. This is 60 meter, this also will be 60 meter. What we have to get? We have to find the height of the cloud. Height of the cloud means from the level of the lake, this plus this. Clear? We have to find the value. Okay, see, this is 60, this is h, so this will be what? This will be 60 plus h. Clear? This is 60 plus h. This is water level. Name it A, B, C, D, D, and here it is E. One time and assume this value x. Description plus know what to do. And after that in triangle BCD we have 10 30 degree perpendicular by base, that is h by x. Okay, 10 30 value 1 by root 3 h by x. Okay, x is not our requirement, so remove x. So this will be x equals h root 3 or root 3h. That will be most appropriate, root 3h. This is relation number 1. Now in this triangle, next our triangle number BCE or BDE. In triangle BDE, okay, in triangle BDE we have what? We have tan 60 degree perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is what? 60 plus h, means directly may write 120 plus h by base is x. This question is being solving the same manner as earlier it was. Earlier I think we are doing 19 number, not 18. 18, that question was 18. This is 19 number, example 19. Okay, see, tan 60, this one value place root 3 120 plus h by x. Okay, then again we have x equals this by root 3 means 120 plus h, and by what? Root under 3. This is relation number 2, and here it is 1. Okay, now I am comparing 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have what? We have here x is this, and here x is this. So root 3 h equal this one 120 plus h upon root 3. Okay, this will what 3h equal 120 plus h, 3h minus h 2h 120, therefore h equal 60 meter. Clear? This value we have got what 60 meter. What will the total height? This plus this means 60 plus 60, 120 meter will be our required answer. So ultimately we will write hence height of the cloud from the lake is what 60 plus 60. Ultimately we will write okay, hence height of the cloud equals 60 plus 60 equal 120 meter is our required answer. Clear? And our next question will be after 19. This will question number 20, example number 20. Okay, थोड़ा पानी वगैरह पी लो आप, जरा मैं भी पानी पी लेता हूँ, फिर देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन। बहुत लेट गुड मॉर्निंग हो रहा है, अर्चना कुमारी है कोई? Good morning at the half of the session. Good morning sent in the starting in the beginning. After that, mostly you should focus on the study. So let us see the next one. Next example number 20. How this will be solved? Example 20. After 19, we have example 20 and 20 number is given horse, and in today's session we are seeing the horse questions mostly, not all. Horse type means high order thinking skill. Okay, in high order thinking skills there are few questions in the board of horse type. Most of the questions are average type, below average, okay, and horse type very less questions, and these questions are made for the genius student who are getting more interest in mathematics and want to make mathematics as their career. Do you know the entire universe is written in the language of mathematics? Everything. Okay, so next number 20 question is around value of radius r subtends angle alpha at the eye of the observer. Okay, see, round balloon. So suppose this is round balloon. This balloon makes angle subtend, okay, and round balloon of radius r subtend angle alpha at the eye of the observer, while the angle of elevation of its center is beta. See, this balloon means this way and this way. Okay, this way means whole balloon. Suppose here eye of the observer, and at this point angle is forming alpha. Clear? and also saying that while angle of elevation of its center is beta. Which center? Center of the balloon means this angle beta. Certainly this will move like this way, and here it will be used like this, means line of sight, and this is horizontal line. This line will be horizontal. That's why this angle will form this whole angle as what? Beta. Okay. Now join this also. Clear? And it is asking that prove that height of the center of the balloon is this. We have to prove here. We have to prove here height. Height means which one? This height. This height. Okay. This height we have to prove what? This we have to prove r sin beta cosec alpha by 2. Cosec alpha by 2. ये हमें प्रूव करना है क्या? हाइट ऑफ द बैलून. ओके, दिस सपोज दिस इज हाइट ऑफ द बैलून. व्हाट विल यू डू? सी when this whole angle is alpha and this is joining to center O whose radius is r. यहाँ join हो r. ठीक? Here doesn't matter. This figure means if you have done yourself and there is some changes from the book, then don't get worried. In the book, okay, there is some difference like this, so don't worry, believe upon yourself. Clear? Then this result we have to prove. What will you do? When it is joining to center, first you name it point A, B, this is C, this is O, and this is D. Clear? Now this height we have to bring like that. This is joining to center. You know these two triangles always are congruent. Use any property, these two will be congruent. So this angle means this one will be equal to this one. Okay, this and this. So this whole alpha, it will have alpha by 2, and this will also what? This angle also alpha by 2. This one. Clear? Now radius and radius. R sin beta. See, sin beta, here angle beta. After that, cosec alpha by 2. Cosec alpha by 2 you may find in this triangle or this triangle. Okay, must describe the diagram. After description you will do. Description must add. Okay, see here we are doing. First I am taking in triangle which one? AOB. In triangle AOB, see here AOB we have this angle tan alpha. This angle is alpha by 2. This whole is alpha. This whole is alpha. This is alpha by 2 and this is alpha by 2. So AOB we have to find cosec. To directly find the cosec alpha by 2. You know cosec theta is h by p. This is theta means alpha by 2 is our angle. This is perpendicular, and you know radius. This is radius and this is AB is tangent. So always radius and tangents are perpendicular. So When this is perpendicular, side opposite to 90 degree, this is hypotenuse, and angle opposite to this is perpendicular, and AO is hypotenuse. Cosec H by P. H is here what? H is AO. See very carefully. Cosec theta, you know, cosec theta equal to H upon P. Okay, sin P by H, and cosec is reciprocal of sin H by P. Opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse, opposite to angle, this is what? Perpendicular. H by P means AO by OB. Okay, AO by OB. OB is the radius, so this will be what? AO by OB is radius R. Clear? So it will be, therefore AO equals R cosec alpha by 2 by cross multiplication. Cosec alpha by 2 AO by OB. OB is radius, and cross multiply AO equal to R cosec alpha by 2. This is relation 1. Now for angle beta, we need to take triangle AOD. Okay, so you take in triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, what we have to find? We have to find sine. So find sine for angle beta in triangle AOD. This is sine beta. Sine beta perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. Okay, sine P by H. So this is OD by hypotenuse opposite to angle D. This is 90 degree. That is AO. That is AO. See here, AO we have got the result. Okay. Then sin beta OD. What is OD? OD is H that we have to get. Assume that H or directly OD. No need to write OD, and AO we have what? R cosec alpha by 2. R cosec alpha by 2. Okay, and that implies, therefore OD equal what? The result we have R. Okay, R is constant radius. Sin beta. Okay, R sin beta cosec alpha by 2. This result we have got. Okay, OD is the height, and this was our result. Note down, must note down you all, and we will see the next question. Next question we will see number. After this one, next some hot questions. We will see question number 24. Example 24 is our next question. Example number 24. So first note that if you have any problem, then must ask. And Aryan, Khushbu, Soumya, Gopal, these all more students have connected, and today is our last session of height and distance. tomorrow onwards we will see next any chapter. Our aim is to finish all the chapters in first term, okay, but in half yearly examination only half of the syllabus will be asked, you must mind it, okay, and we will complete other books, means like all books we will complete NCERT, R.S. Aggarwal, R.D. Sharma, okay, all books we will see, and after completion of this, if some time left out, then what we will do? We will have sample practice of both, and apart from that also we have some time, then we will see some topics of standard 11, okay. There is huge disconnection, not I am saying the connection, there is huge disconnection between 10th standard and 11th standard. And next our question number is 24, okay, number 24. See, question is, from a window 8 meter above the ground of a house in a street, angle of elevation and depression of top and foot of another house, okay, opposite to side of the street are theta and alpha respectively. So that height of the opposite house is this. Again, tan chord, okay, from a window 8 meter above the ground. Suppose this is ground, okay, 8 meter above, here it is 8 meter above the ground. It is saying that of a house in a street, this is house and this is window 8 meter above, angle of elevation and depression of top and foot of another house, opposite side, this house, there is another house, angle of elevation of top and depression of bottom are theta and alpha. See, line of sight, these two are line of sight, angle will be formed always between line of sight and horizontal line, okay, so horizontal need to draw, this is saying theta and phi, this is theta and this is phi, okay, and we have to show that height of light another house is 8 into 1 plus tan theta cot phi, tan theta cot phi, this symbol is called phi, this is theta, and this is phi, phi, phi and theta are used here to denote angles. Height of house is this one, we have to prove like that, okay. This is h, so this will also h, clear. Assume that h, name it A, B, C, D. This is window of one house, this is height of another house, here point E, clear. This distance we have assumed h, capital H, and this is given small h, and B assume as x. Now see, two right triangles, okay, three right triangles, 1, 2 and 3, depression always changes to elevation, so this will be 5, okay, here it is 90 degree, here it is also 90 degree, clear? This is x, then this will also x, this distance, and we have triangles, one triangle this one and another triangle this one. First time, after description, every time I am saying must describe the figure, okay, figure need to be described, and after description, in triangle, which one? This one, ABC. In triangle ABC, we have what? We have to get tan theta and cot phi. The theta, so in triangle, okay, this one ABC, in this triangle we will get cot phi. Okay, since angle is phi here, so we will write cot phi, cot theta, you know, reciprocal of tan, okay, that is d by p. This is theta is angle, phi, this is perpendicular, this is base, cot is base by perpendicular, so it is x by h, x by h, okay, we need h not x, therefore x equal h cot phi, clear? This is result 1. Now in this triangle BDE, now in triangle BDE, what we have? We have tan theta. We have tan theta perpendicular by base, that is h by, this is base B, that is x, okay. So here it is x, directly you may use here x, okay. So it will what? Tan theta equals h by x is this one, h cot phi, h cot phi. From where you got? You got from 1. From 1 we have got this, clear? Now we have to get height, means this plus this as this one, so h will be this into this, clear? This is h, what? H tan theta cot phi, tan theta cot phi, okay. This is relation 2, depends upon you, either assume or not. H equal to this one, we have to get height of the another house, this is the height, means CD, therefore or hence what? Height of another house, height of another house equal what? H plus h, that is h plus, this is h, capital H tan theta cot phi. Take h as common, this is 1 plus tan theta cot phi is required result. truth. I think you are getting, you are enjoying all the solutions, so you must hit a like everyone. Okay, so must hit a like and must give subscription to my channel. That's why very soon we may provide live from the YouTube. This is an arrangement of third party arrangement, that is third party, and our partner is CameraFi Live. You know, YouTube, CameraFi, Google, ये सारे हमारे लाइव के अभी अभिनंग है, और ये लोगों के कारण ही हम लोग कनेक्ट हो पाते हैं और पढ़ पाते हैं अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस को। सो होप आप एंजॉय किए होंगे, और हमारा घड़ी भी कुछ इशारा कर रहा है कि अब आज विदा लें, और हम आपसे फिर कल मिलेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।